Hi friends, hi everybody who's watching this video right now. My name is Team Wider, and today I have for you really excited news. And this news is really unbelievable because we're gonna launch the new project, guys. The new project where everyone can take part and start to make real money. And this project will be cryptocurrency company. We're starting this with my friend, with my bro from the Los Angeles, California, with the Larry Lane, guys. And this will be explored into 2018 because we're gonna teach you how to earn bitcoins, guys. And I know that a lot of the people, they already making the money with the bitcoins, but some of the people, they don't know anything about the cryptocurrency and how to make money with that. And really, we want to teach you how to make money with this project, guys. Right now is the pre-launch. You have the 15 days to make the free registration. In the description you will find the link how to make the registration. Just click on that link and make the free registration right now. Get your free spot because it will give you the opportunity to make money every single day. We're gonna teach you every step, guys. It's really amazing and incredible. Right now is the great time. Right now is the best time to make money online. And Earnline channel also is growing every single day. You see the many new projects. Right now we have the 3 incredible projects. First of them is the copy and paste, the second one is the Be Epic company, and the third one, the great cryptocurrency company, which we're gonna launch in the 15 days. Guys, just amazing. In the description, like I said, you will find the link for the registration. Make it right now because the time is running out every single day. On the website you will see in the real time from which country people join. They join, from the Australia, from the United States, from the Germany, from the Russia. Guys, they going from the everywhere. And this is your chance to join this opportunity and start to make already after the 15 days in the big launch, because right now you have a chance to make the free registration. Yeah, we have right now pre-launch and you can make the free registration, so don't miss out. I give this information for my subscribers, for my people, also for my partners, to start to help them to start to make the money. And I guess it will help a lot of the people all around the world to get that what they need. Because the bitcoins, guys, will be, I think in the many years, it will be also really profitable and the best currency which people will use it to make the transaction and all of that stuff. So don't miss out, guys. This opportunity will make from the burn fire to help every people on this planet to start to make that money what he want. And if you have a desire, if you have the willing to start to make really great money online, so this channel can help you to get that what you want. Guys, if you still didn't subscribe on the Earnline channel, subscribe right now. Don't forget to put the like, don't forget to ask the question if you have this question. And after the launch, I will provide for you all the instructions, all the details how you can make the money with this project. It will be really revolution, guys. Revolution in the cryptocurrency projects, in the start to make money online, in the everything, guys. It was Team Wider. Stay blessed.
Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you're on it. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name, with the fight that I play. That's my fucking way, home. Y'all can sit back and think you heard the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up.